Hi, I'm Steve, owner of 585 Epoxy Solutions here in Rochester. Most garage floors in our area don't even last 3 years. Our brutal winters and heavy road salt destroy standard concrete. But it doesn't have to be this way. We build floors that are engineered to last. Today, I'm walking you through our expert 7-step installation process. When water gets into the pores of your concrete and freezes, it expands with incredible force. This causes spalling, where the top of your concrete literally pops off. That's why those hardware store DIY kits almost always fail. Then there's the road salt. It lowers the freezing point, increasing the number of damaging freeze-thaw cycles your floor faces every winter. Everything starts with a professional evaluation. We don't guess, we measure internal moisture to ensure a permanent bond. Next is mechanical preparation. We use heavy-duty planetary grinders to remove the weak top layer and open the concrete's pores. Step 3 is addressing the damage. We use specialized polyurea fillers to create a seamless monolithic surface. Then we apply the base coat, our 100% solids epoxy wicks into the slab, creating a permanent mechanical anchor. Step 5 is the fun part, the flake broadcast. We throw to refusal, ensuring 100% coverage and impact resistance. We seal everything with a Polyaspartic top coat. It's UV stable, chemical resistant, and more flexible than standard epoxy. Finally, the reveal. Our floors cure rapidly, so you can walk on them in hours and have your cars back in days. You deserve the peace of mind that comes with a floor built for Rochester. Let's start your transformation today. Call or text 585-309-5449 or visit 585epoxy.com. I can't wait to build your floor.